Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to embed custom code in GoHighLevel. This is super useful when you want to add custom tracking scripts, third-party widgets, or any HTML, CSS, or JavaScript directly into your site. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all your GoHighLevel tools and features. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several options. Look for and click on Sites. This section houses all the websites you've created or manage within GoHighLevel, making it easy to edit and customize them as needed. Once you're in the Sites section, locate the specific site where you want to embed your custom code. Next to the site name, you'll notice 3 dots, which represent a menu with additional options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Edit. This will prepare your site for editing. On the next screen, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click on it to enter the site editor. You'll need to wait a moment while the editor loads completely. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet connection and the complexity of your site, so just be patient while everything comes together. Once the editor has fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. There you'll see a plus icon. Click on it to open the Elements panel, which allows you to add various components to your site. In the search bar that appears, type code. This will filter the available elements and show you the custom code component. Now drag the code element from the panel and drop it onto your site wherever you'd like the custom code to appear. Once it's placed, click on the code element you just added. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for and click Open Code Editor. This will bring up a text field where you can enter your custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Paste your custom code into the editor. Take your time to ensure everything is copied correctly, as even a small error can cause issues. After pasting your code, click Save to apply the changes. Your custom code is now embedded directly into that specific section of your site. Now here's the second method, which is ideal for adding site-wide tracking codes or scripts that need to be present on every page. Go back to the site editor's main screen. At the top of the editor, you'll see a Settings option. Click on it to access the site-wide Settings panel. Once you're in Settings, scroll down through the available options until you find Head Tracking Code. This section is specifically designed for embedding scripts that need to be placed in the head section of your site's HTML, such as Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or custom tracking scripts. In the Head Tracking Code field, paste your custom code. This is where you can add any scripts or meta tags that need to run globally across your entire site. After pasting your code, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save. This ensures your custom code is applied to every page of your site automatically. And that's it. You've now successfully embedded custom code into your GoHighLevel site using 2 different methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.